Qukslvr here, and in this video I'm going to show you how to break down and stack toters. And the reason I'm doing this one is you have a clip on one of these wheels that's very hard to get to, so I had to make a tool out of a Torx wrench I found. Just shave it down to a point, and then what we do, try and do this with one hand, but right in here there's a clip. I'm going to get on this side closest to the axle, shove it in there. Okay, this is going to be, and it's going to just lift out. Shove it in there, and with one hand, lift up. So all you're doing is you're moving that spring. There's a spring clip, and you're just moving it away from this edge. Let's move it away from the edge, pull the wheel up. How you doing? On this next one, I'm going to need two hands for this one. You have these clips. You can barely see them. Right here and right here. Here and here. What you're going to do is you're just going to take your fingers, probably at the same time, because it's a lot easier that way, and just push them. You're going to spin it, push the other two, so there's 4 total. Push that, and that's your cap. And then this is the lock. So all you're going to do is just squeeze this, and the lock unlocks from the wheel from the axle, and then you're just going to start putting the stuff back together, because you don't want 100 pieces when you go put these back together. You want to put them back together real easy. Put that back on, line up these, and you just pop. All 4 are locked, and then you're good. And then just throw the parts into the container. So when you have to assemble these, everything's together, all put back together, and ready to go. Okay? You need to take this bar off. We need to put pressure here, pull it this way. You're going to sort of twist it as you go. You're just going to just bounce on it and do it all in one motion. People always ask me, they feel something over here and then they wonder, what is this? What is that? What purpose is that to be placed under here? And that's the GPS. So when you steal our containers, we know exactly where they go, and then we can prosecute any criminals, because these are expensive containers. If you guys are wondering out there what that piece is on a garbage container, why they put that on there, those are stops for when you stack them. That keeps the container from going too far in and getting wedged in there, so we can't get them out. So it gives a little bit of separation. Okay, on this one, it's got a different cap on it, but you see the that one doesn't go all the way through, but that one does. So you're going to go underneath here, you're going to stick your finger on there, and you're just going to pop. You're going to pop each one of these up. There we go. It's difficult with one hand, so it's every other one, and there it is. And then the lock is really difficult with, no, there it goes. Let's see if I can't, there we go. That's it. Oh, look. Let me do that over again. So we'll put that back down there. Put that on there. So all you do is you pinch these two things here together and it slides off. Oh boy. There's two ways to get that off. Okay, on this one, you have a hole. You can barely see the spring clamp. You can stick your tool in there, in between the spring and the axle. And all you're going to do is just pull it away and then lift up. Try and get out of the way here. So put your tool in there, pull away, and lift up. Okay? Simple as that. Okay, so I showed you the clip. Now I'm just going to do it. Push it in there on the one side, step on the bottom, and it comes right out. Little trick I use to get the other wheel off, since I don't have three hands. There's a hole in the container here. Slip it in. I'm going to pull down on this, putting pressure on that bar so the bar stays in. And the wheel comes off. Bar stays there, you're done.